Tesla has cracked the downtrend finally. Nice patterns looking left here. I just think Tesla is a point of when, not if. And I mean when as in not only, let's get the trend lines right, encompass them. There's the extreme, there's the secondary, there's like two secondary highs that we want to trigger off of, and you just straight on down. So last 3-4 months, Tesla's done some really nice constructive action that you'd want to see. And it's actually my preference to see something not go straight up out of a hole. Always better to see that thing develop. And I'll be looking right in here. We're already down 216 currently. We know 250, 260 was big resistance. But I'm talking, you know, generational decade low trying to take shape with Tesla. And that might be a flash down to 180 one more time. 180 or the next oversold trigger. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. In fact, it's pretty interesting. This is something we look at. Where are the readings on? Are they under the 50 or above the 50? I would say this week, if we get a bearish candle, that's going to break under the 50, which should trigger that retest. But we get that retest, we get that next oversold condition. For me, this is a major area, and it reminds me a lot of Apple from earlier this year at 165. Apple just seemingly wasn't doing much. Remember this, not only, well, the bat from 2022 was perfect, but this thing, this Gartley, that was a bat or Gartley, whatever your flavor, that bat. And it went sideways, was in that sideways, the market was raging. Apple was sideways, and it was actually back at 2023 lows, just back in April, and then gone. And that's what I think Tesla's doing. Pretty remarkable stuff. There's a lot of these. There's a lot of these that are in such a shape that, again, they're not all gonna unfold perfectly at the same time, but we want to position it, we want to line them up, and when they do come our way, that's when we step on them. Yeah. Tesla earnings. When are those Tesla earnings? Aren't they in like a week? Well, there's like a zillion earnings coming up. Yeah, and that's probably what we should talk about. What's that? Tomorrow. Hello. Tesla earnings tomorrow. So can we get a down move? Would love to see that drop. Bring me all the bad news you have tomorrow, please, on Tesla. That would be amazing, because that would create the opportunity. And I think it's down here. It could be 200, could be 180, but we'll leave that green box up. And you were praying for a pullback, guys. I just seriously, whatever happens post-election, if we get a hard retracement or we get a hard pop and then a retracement, we're going to embrace it, because once we clear through this mess, and you guys know I've been talking end of January for so many scenarios, that's, in my opinion, larger possibilities can begin after the end of January, and anything I'm considering really has like a Q1 first quarter limit on it, and then we will take a hard look of how this market will change character very soon.